My overall experience with the new system has been fantastic. I haven't had any issues since it's been installed. The applications look great. Everything foams really well, comes on when it's supposed to. As for changing anything, I haven't found anything yet. My name is Stephen Gerring. I'm one of the owners. I go back to having hydro minders and different things for each individual application, electric solenoids, things like that. Those things get damaged, especially out in the moisture areas. Everything's nice and tucked in the back room, safe, it works great. It's all on one panel. It's easy to maintain because I haven't had to maintain it. For years, I always had to deal with kind of tweaking things. I mean, after a while, tips would get clogged, things would happen. With the system, you can still get a great show and a great looking product and have it dialed down because you've got those nice little dials on there that go down all the way to a super concentrate level, which we couldn't do before. We've been saving a lot of money with it, more than double. Those other systems are just, they're not consistent like this is. Definitely noticed a difference. Yeah, it's been a lot easier. Customers have been complimenting it since it's been installed. Literally since it's been put in, it hasn't changed one bit. It's still foaming just as good. Everything from the first application, our lava arch, to the very end, I mean, everything's coming out great. And you can actually see it. When a customer can see it, the foam and everything like that, it makes all the difference in the world. The best thing is putting on a good show for the customers, so that's key. And when everything's working the way it's supposed to and you don't have to mess with it and tweak it every day, that's even better. It's built better, easier to maintain, and all in all, it's just better. Everything's great about it.